This is the continuation of image storage formats explanation. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Image storage formats, that means the format in which the images will be stored. The store an image, the image is represented in a two-dimensional matrix and each of the value in a matrix will be corresponding to a data associated with one image pixel, and pixel is nothing but the smallest measurable unit of an image. The smallest addressable or unmeasurable unit of an image is called as a pixel. So each of the value which is present in a two-dimensional matrix will be corresponding to the data associated with one image pixel. In bitmaps is nothing but an array of pixels. So in bitmaps, these values are the binary numbers. That is in case of the black and white images. In case of the black and white images, the bitmaps will be a binary numbers which will be having only two values, either 0 or 1. 0 will be representing the one color and 1 will be representing another color. This is in case of a black and white images. Whereas in case of color images, the values can be one of the following. The first one is three numbers that normally specify the intensity of red, green and blue components, because the color images or a color in a television will be created by using the combination of RGB component, that is the red, green and blue colors intensity will be creating a color in a television. Also in case of images, also three numbers that normally specify the intensity of red, green and blue components. And the second one is three numbers representing references to a table that contains the intensity values of red, green and blue components. Three numbers representing a reference to a table, and that table will be consisting of red, green and blue intensities. And the third one is a single number that works as a reference to a table. A single number that works as a reference to a table containing the color triplets. That color triplets is nothing but it will be containing the intensities of red, green and blue color. And the fourth one is an index pointing to another set of data structure which will be representing colors, that is an indirect addressing. Assuming that there is a sufficient memory available, an image can be stored in an uncompressed RGB triplets, that is an red, green, blue color intensities can also be stored in an uncompressed format. The storage space is scarce. That means in case of if the storage space is less, then the images should be compressed in a suitable way. If there is no scarcity of an image storage space, then the images can be stored in an uncompressed format. If there is a scarcity of an storage space, then the images should be compressed in a suitable way for the purpose of storing an image. When storing an image, the information about each pixel, that is the value of each color channel in each pixel, has to be stored. As I told, a pixel is the smallest measurable unit in an image. The smallest addressable part of an image is called as a pixel. The additional information may be associated to the images as a whole, such as width, height, depth, and even the name of a person who has created the images can also be stored as an additional information with the image information That means the information of an image which will be consisting of the color triplets, the value of an image, along with that one the additional information such as height, width, depth, and the person who has created the image can also be stored. The necessity to store such image properties such as size, width, then color, then the name of the person who has been created the image, these kind of properties can be stored, and because of the necessity to store such image properties, it has led to a number of flexible image storage formats, and those includes RIF, resource interchange file format, or a BRIM, which has been derived from RIF, which are often used in a database systems for the purpose of storing the images. And RIF will be including the formats for bitmaps, vector drawings, animations, audio and video images. In BRIM, an image consisting of width, height, authoring history, field specifying the generation process as well as the modifications can be stored. And the other kinds of the most popular image storing formats include PostScript, GIF, a graphics interchange format, XBM, portable bitmap, PBM, that is an bitmap, JPEG, TIFF, tagged image file format, PBM, and BPM. We'll be learning in detail regarding all these kind of an image storage formats. The next kind of image storage formats are X11 Bitmap and X11 Pixmap. X11 Bitmap, it is called as an XBM, and X11 Pixmap, it is called as an XPM. X11 Bitmap and X11 Pixmap. X11 Bitmap and X11 Pixmap are graphic formats frequently used in Unix world to store program icons or background images. That means these are the kind of an storage formats which will be present in the Unix operating system for the purpose of storing program icons and background images in case of an Unix operating system, XBM and XPM. These formats allow the definition of monochrome and color images. The monochrome image formats will be XBM, whereas the color image formats will be XPM. Monochrome will be X11 bitmap, that is XBM, whereas the color image formats will be XPM, that is X11 Pixmap images, and those will be present inside a program code. These two formats use no compression for image storage. That means the X11 Bitmap and X11 Pixmap will not be using any compression for the purpose of storing an image. Let us learn the first one, X11 Bitmap XBM. It is a monochrome XBM format. That means in this kind of a picture format we cannot store a color value for an image. It will be a monochrome image format. The monochrome image format XBM, in this one the pixel of an image are encoded and written to a list of byte values. We call them as a byte array in a C programming language. The pixels of an image are encoded and written to a list of byte value, that is called as a byte array by using a C programming language. A pixel, you know already, it is the smallest measurable unit of an image. The smallest measurable unit of an image is encoded and written as a byte value in the form of an byte array by using a C programming language, grouping 8 pixels into a byte value. That means a group of 8 pixels is considered as a 1 byte value. There are 2 additional dimensions for the image also that you can see in the diagram A, that is in a figure A. You can see it. Let us see the figure A. So it is on figure A. You can see has defined xbm underscore image underscore width 8. So it is what? It is for the dimension. Another one is has defined xbm underscore image underscore height 8. This is also for the dimension, that is height and width. These are the 2 additional definitions for the dimension of an image. And the static unsigned char xbm underscore image underscore bits open square bracket close square bracket is equal to, within the floor bracket we have specified, means we have written 8 pixels. One of them is 0x01 and the second one is 0x02. Similarly the 8th one is 0x80. So it is a group of 8 pixels which has been combined as an 1 byte value, and it has been encoded, and this one has been written by using an C programming language. So it is a diagrammatical representation of an monochrome XBM image format. Next one is X11 Pixmap. It is also in case of an Unix operating system which is used for the purpose of storing an image. The X11 Pixmap XPM format, the image data are encoded and written to a list of strings. It is called as a string array together with a header. That means here an encoding of a data of an image will be consisting of list of strings along with the header information of the image. The first line will be defining the image dimension and the hotspot, which is used as a cursor icon to identify exact pixel that triggers a mouse selection. And the second line will be describing the colors used, replacing a text or an RGB color value by a character from the ASCII character set. And the lines that follow these 2 lines will be the image lines including the replaced color values. Note that the unused pixels are represented by using the blanks. So let us look at the figure of X11 Pixmap encoding. It is a figure of an XPM image. So here you can observe static char asterisk demo underscore xpm open square bracket close square bracket is equal to, open the floor bracket, after that 8814 which has been written in double quotes, after that yes none C none. So these are the first 2 lines, and these lines will be specifying the image dimension and the cursor icon to identify exact pixel that triggers a mouse selection. And the next line, that is XC black, this will be describing colors used, replacing a text or an RBG value, a character from ASCII character set. And the next lines, that is which has been written within the double quotes X, comma again within the double quotes X. So those represents the list of image lines. Those will be representing the list of image lines, and you can observe in this particular diagram the pixels which are unused are represented by blanks. So within the double quotes you can observe there is a blank spaces. So those are the unused pixels. So pixel, as I told, it is the smallest measurable unit of an image. So it is the description regarding XPM image format of an Unix operating system. It is the info regarding XPM image format. The next kind of image storage format is Portable Bitmap Plus. Portable Bitmap Plus, PBM Plus. The Portable Bitmap Plus is a software package that allows conversion of images between various image formats and their script-based modification. Mean PBM Plus is a software package which allows for the purpose of converting an image from one format to another format based upon the script modification. PBM Plus includes 4 different image formats. Those things are, the first one is PBM, Portable Bitmap for binary image. PBM, Portable Bitmap for binary image. And the second one is PGM, Portable Gray Map for gray value images. PBM, Portable Bitmap for binary image. PGM, Portable Gray Map for gray value images. PPM, Portable Pixmap for true color images. And the last one is PNM, Portable Any Map for format independent manipulation of images. So these are the 4 different kinds of image formats: PBM, PGM, PPM, PNM, Portable Bitmap, Portable Gray Map, Portable Pixmap and Portable Any Map. These are the 4 different kinds of image formats which are present in Portable Bitmap Plus image storage format. This kind of is a Portable Bitmap Plus image format supports both text and binary encoding. The software package contains conversion tools for internal graphic formats and other formats, so that it offers free and flexible conversion option. As I told, Portable Bitmap Plus allows for the purpose of converting from one image format to another kind of an image format. That is, it will be consisting of an conversion tools for the purpose of changing the formats of an image graphics, and it will be offering that one for free, and it is a flexible conversion option. It is very easier for the purpose of converting the format of image from one format to another format in an easier way. What will be the contents of an Portable Bitmap Plus files? The contents of an Portable Bitmap Plus files are the following. The first one is a magic number identifying type file, that is P1 for PBM. So different type files will be PBM, PGM, PPM, PNM, Portable Bitmap, Portable Gray Map, Portable Pixmap, Portable Any Map. So these are the different types of files which is supported. So the content of an PBM Plus will be having a magic number which will be specifying the type of the file which it is. And the second one is, it will be having blanks, tabs, carriage returns and line feeds. Then the next content in an PBM Plus will be decimal ASCII characters that define the image width, and the next content is decimal ASCII characters that define the image height. And PBM Plus file will be consisting of a magic number identifying the type of the file, blanks, tabs, carriage returns, line feeds, decimal ASCII characters that define image width and which will be defining the image height, ASCII numbers plus blanks that specify the maximum value of color components and additional color information for ppm, pnm and pbm. So it will be having ASCII numbers along with the blanks which will be specifying the maximum value of a color component and additional color information which can be used for ppm, portable pxmap, pnm, portable any map and pbm, portable bitmap. So these kind of image formats, it will be having a color. So those color information, what should be the maximum value and what are the additional color information it has to have, those will be specified by using ASCII numbers along with the blanks. Filter tools are used to manipulate internal image formats. So to manipulate all these internal image formats, the PBM plus will be using and filter tools. So it is an information regarding portable bitmap plus. It will be supporting 4 kind of images and these are the contents of the PBM plus files. The last kind of image storage format is bitmap, BMP. Bitmap, it is the last kind of an image storage format. The bitmap is a files which are device independent bitmap files. Bitmap files are the device independent bitmap files most frequently used in Windows systems. In case of an Unix operating system, it will be having X11 Pixmap and X11 Bitmap, whereas in case of a Windows operating system, it will be having bitmap. It will be having bitmap, BMP, whereas in case of a Unix operating system, X11, that is XBM and XPM, whereas in case of a Windows operating system, it is BMP. The BMP is based on RGB color model. It is a red, green, blue color model, and the bitmap does not compress the original image. Means the bitmap storage format will not be compressing the image of the original. That means the original image will not be compressed when we store in the format of a bitmap. The bitmap format defines a header and a data region. The bitmap will be consisting of 2 regions. One will be a header region, another one will be a data region. The header region, bitmap info, contains information about size, color, depth, color table and compression methods. The header region will be containing information regarding size, color depth, color table, compression method, whereas the data region will be containing the value of each pixel in the line. The lines are flex extended to a value divisible by 32 and paired with 0 values. So in this video I have explained regarding the various kinds of image storage formats. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.